Regardless the circumstance, traffic and CTR are a dominating factor moving into 2021. Now, for right now, if I'm looking for the most important ranking factors for 2020, this mindless, regurgitated dribble comes out. Things like website content quality, website content length, page speed, social signals, links, optimized images. We know all of that. But the difference between ranking at the bottom of page 1 and ranking number 1 is user signals, CTR, and traffic. Let me go ahead and show you some of the results from my CTR and traffic network. So we'll go incognito just to do a quick search here. So let's do Travel Club Boca. I live in Tamaqua, Pennsylvania. So let me just show you a stationery shop that I helped out in Kingston, Pennsylvania. So I'm from Fort Myers, Florida. So of course we can never forget where we came from. Let's take a look at Fort Myers. Now another very, very attractive place in the United States is Virginia. So of course we have to have a location there. So what can a CTR network do for you? Now, I can't show you each and every one of my clients' accounts, but I can show you some of the benefits that I've utilized within my own. So proximity, as you may know, is the #1 local ranking factor. Nothing expands proximity more than getting directional requests from outside of your 1 to 2 mile proximity from your business. You can create your own perfect action, send as much traffic, request directions to send the perfect signal to Google, and every single action is counted. Now, you don't want to just send any signals. You want to send the right signals, the right amount of direct signals if we're talking about Google My Business. You want to get discovered the right amount of times. You want branded. Now, getting the right signals through to Google is absolutely imperative if you want to rank within the snack pack. Within my region, my main competition, and of course I want to rank outside of my proximity in Harrisburg, but these are my 2 main competitions. All about sending the right signals. It's all about sending traffic and click-through, but more importantly, we're trying to send the right signals algorithmically to achieve rankings. So if we take a look at SEO Harrisburg and Smart Source SEO, we can take a look here at the queries for my business. I'm not just sending any type of traffic. I want to send very targeted traffic, searching for my competitor to send a very powerful signal. So can CTR and traffic help for non-local? Well, if you remember many years back, a test conducted by Moz. A test was ran to put a link inside of a Twitter feed. It was set up to have people go to the site and click through. By 9:01, this listing was #1. So regardless if you're localized, regardless if you're GMB, regardless you're ranking in maps, regardless if you have an affiliate site, whatever the case is, click-through rate, traffic, and user signals are how you are going to achieve results.